Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show how to crochet a trinket tray. All the required items will be mentioned in the description box below. I am taking an acrylic yarn, a 4.5 mm hook, a tapestry needle. Firstly start with making a magic ring. After magic ring, chain 2, and after that you have to make 12 double crochet into the magic ring as shown in the video. After completing 12 double crochet into the magic ring, you have to slip stitch into the first double crochet as I am going to do in the video. Also pull the thread to tighten the ring, and now you can slip stitch into the first double crochet. If you are confused with it, you can count back your double crochets and slip stitch into the first one. Now for round 2, chain 2, and after chaining 2 you have to make 2 double crochet into each stitch. Have a closer look here. This is the chain 1, and near to chain 1 we have made 1 double crochet. Now into the same stitch we are making second double crochet. In this way you will have chain 2, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now same in the next stitch you have to make 2 double crochet together. In the third one again 2 double crochet together, and into the fourth one also you have to make 2 double crochet together. You have to repeat this till the end. In total you will have 24 double crochet at the end of the round 2. Here we have completed 24 double crochet. To make sure of it, you can count back on the stitches that you have completed 24 double crochet, and after completing double crochet like 24 double crochet you have to slip stitch into this first double crochet. So take the hook and slip stitch into the first double crochet. For round 3, chain 2, and now we have to make 36 double crochet for the round 3. Firstly, make a double crochet into the same stitch in which we have chained 2. For the next stitch, as you can see in the video, you have to make 2 double crochet, and then next one a single, and then another a double. This pattern we have to follow. Like now for the second stitch we have to make 2 double crochet together, and now for the next stitch here we have to make a single double crochet. Now again for the second one we have to make 2 double crochet together into the stitch, and for the next a single double crochet. You have to just follow this pattern, a 2 double crochet together, and then a single double crochet, then again a 2 double crochet, and then again a single double crochet. In this way you will have a 36 double crochet at the end of round 3. Here we are about to complete the round 3, a round of 36 double crochet. We will just to make sure we will count back on our stitches that these are 36 double crochet, and after counting the 36 double crochet we will just slip stitch into our first double crochet. Here we have completed our round 3rd. Moving on to round 4, first chain 2 into the same stitch where we made chain 2. We have to make 2 double crochet together. Into the second stitch a single double crochet, into the third a single double crochet. The pattern we have to follow is 2 double crochet, single double crochet, and single double crochet. This pattern will be followed, and in total you will get 48 double crochet at the end of round 4. After completing fourth round of 48 double crochet, count back on stitches, and after counting you have to slip stitch into the first double crochet as I am doing it in the video. Here your fourth round is completed. Now moving to fifth round, here we will crochet ears. Into the first stitch we will make a single crochet, then into the next stitch we will make a double crochet, and then into the third stitch we will make 3 treble crochet together. I am showing it in the video that how you have to make treble crochet. And after making treble crochet, into the next stitch we will make a double crochet, and then into the next we will make a single crochet. This is how the first ear of the tray is ready. Now for the next 8 stitches we have to make slip stitch into the stitches. After completing 8 slip stitches, crochet another ear. Follow the same pattern, single crochet into the first stitch, double crochet into the another stitch, 3 treble crochet together into the next stitch, then double crochet into the next stitch, and then again a single crochet into the next stitch. This is how your next ear will also be ready. After this we will work on the height of the tray. For this you have to work into the back loops only. I am highlighting that in which loops we have to work. See, yarn over and insert the hook into the back loop of the stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. It means we are doing half double crochet into the back loops. This stitch is called half double crochet. So you have to work this till the end of the round, and this will give the height of the tray. Continue half double crochet till the end of the row and slip stitch into the first one. Here we have got the desired height of the tray. If you want more height, you can continue this half double crochet, but now into the both loops. For the height, starting of the height, we have just worked into the back loop so that we can get the height of the project. But for the second row, if you want to increase more height, you can continue into the both loops. I don't want to increase the height, so right now I am just changing the color of the yarn and making that blue color border of that tray. To do so, just make a slip knot and chain one, and now through all the border of the tray we have to just make single crochet into each stitch, and this will give you a nice blue color border of the tray. After completing all the stitches of single crochet, just make a slip stitch into the first single crochet and chain one and cut the yarn, and then just weave in the ends of the tray, and here your final bare crochet trinket tray is ready. The written pattern is mentioned in the description box below. That's all for today's video. If you like the tutorial, then please hit the like, comment, share and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.